Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twice.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the 32nd day of my 100 days of YouTube videos, and today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful lip art. I'll name it the lipstick palette. Of course, we're starting with bare lips, and then I'm going to use my Zaron liquid eyeliner. You can use any liquid eyeliner of your choice, and then I'm just going to use it to line my lips. As you can see, I'm creating, is it like a web effect? Yeah, like a web effect on my lips. And just know that it doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure that it's like nice enough. Just using a highlighter to highlight my cupid's bow. So once I'm done, I'm using my lipstick palette. This is like one of my favorite lipstick palettes. So I'm just picking any color and filling in the gaps or the space. As you can see, I think it's self-explanatory. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. And if you make any mistakes, just know that you can always go over with the liquid liner again. So you can use blue, red, just make it really colorful and pretty. One thing about me, I love lip arts a lot, so I'm always like creative when it comes to lip arts. Just brings out your creativity one way or the other. I'm done applying the lipsticks. I'm just using my eyeliner all over again, my liquid liner all over again. Anyways, this is the results. This was a fun lip art I did. Yeah, so anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also leave a comment letting me know what you think about this lip art, if you like it or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.